Hi, welcome to Day 4 of recommending 100 underrated movies. This is one of those movies that constantly catches you off guard, not with plot twists or shocking moments, but with how real its characters feel. At its core, it's about loneliness, grief, and the strange way people try to connect with each other when they are carrying more than they know how to handle. There were so many moments where I found myself laughing at a character or a conversation and then immediately feeling a little sad afterwards. The movie has this awkward energy that feels incredibly authentic. Nobody is trying to be the hero. Nobody always says the right things. Everyone is a little messy and a little broken. And that's exactly why they are so compelling. And Dylan O'Brien, easily the best performance I've seen from. He brings so much vulnerability and depth to its character that even the smallest moments leave an impact. What I love the most is that the film never rushes to explain itself. It trusts you to sit with its character, understand them, and sometimes even judge them a little. By the end, I wasn't thinking about the story, I was thinking about the people, and honestly, that's usually the sign of a great movie. So, the film that you need to search is Twinless.